Hey guys, welcome back to the Frank and Blaze Show. I'm your host Frank. This is my lovely co-host Blaze. Welcome back to another video. So I actually got a couple requests to do a video with Blaze. He hasn't been seen in a while. So I'm doing a video tonight with my buddy Blaze. So guys, what I want to talk to you guys about is the stock market a little bit. Right now, the S&P 500 is down 7%. And we could hit a correction. Basically what a correction is, it's a 10% drop from its most recent high. And it's all has been driven by the conflict or war, however you want to frame it, with Iran. But what I basically want to talk to is the new investors. Because this is the type of issue that's going on right now that will cause a new investor to not trust the stock market. Someone that probably started investing this year is probably very nervous right now, or thinking they're losing money right now, or pretty nervous right now. I'm putting my money into the stock market and it's going down. But guys, I want to assure you of something. This is just a blip. This happens. Whenever there's a major event, it rattles the stock market and it's going to take a hit. It's going to take a short-term hit. But guys, it always bounces back. Remember, you have to always stay the course. Your losses are on paper. Your loss is just on paper. You didn't cash out. If you was to cash out and sell your investments, those losses are gone. They will never recoup. But the losses right now are just on paper. As long as you don't panic and sell, those losses will be recouped once the market reverses and start trending back up. But like I said, this is the point where a new investor will get nervous, panic, get frantic, get nervous, and get scared and sell and then say the stock market is a scam. I lost money in the stock market. The stock market doesn't work. Guys, right now, this is when you're being tested. Honestly, I've read a lot of books about investing. A lot of books about investing. Moments like this is when you're getting tested. The world is not coming to an end. The world is not coming to an end. Big companies are not folding. This is when you just got to be tough, mentally tough, and ride it out. Guys, I personally opened up my Roth IRA, right? Give you a little bit of background about me with investing. Opened up my Roth IRA in 2008, right in the middle of the last recession. In 2008, the stock market was down almost 40%. Do you think I wasn't nervous? I was nervous as shit because I had just scraped up all this money to buy my first index fund, and then I'm watching it just go down, and go down. I was nervous as shit. But I stayed the course, guys. I've never sold. I've stayed the course in my Roth IRA for all these years, going on, opened it up in 2008, 2016, for 18 years. I've never touched it, never sold. All I've done is contributed every single year and maxed out that IRA. And guess what, guys? There's a lot of money in that account. There's a lot of money in that account. I'm not going to give exact figures, but there's a lot of money in that account. I am just so glad I was resilient. I didn't get scared. I didn't panic. I didn't get frantic and sell and say, you know what, the stock market doesn't work. When I started working for my company in 2011 and I joined the 401k, that year, the stock market was only up 2%. Only 2%. But again, I've never cashed out. I've never sold. And again, in my company's 401k, there's a boatload of money in it. And I've never cashed out, never sold anything, never borrowed any money out of it, nothing over the last 16 years. I have learned through the test of time and reading books, um, reading some great financial books over the course of the years, and just upping my knowledge and getting facts and more information on the stock market and how it works. Guys, three economic components have steadily risen over the last 100 years. That's the stock market, real estate, and inflation. Those three economic components have steadily increased over the last 100 years. The stock market, inflation, and real estate values have steadily rose over the last 100 years. So guys, just want to talk to the new investors. Just stay the course. Stay the course, guys. Everything turns around. It goes down and it goes back up. You just gotta have the mental fortitude to ride it out. Guys, I've written out the recession in 2008. I've written out COVID. I've written out high inflation. I've written out interest rates being rose. Rolled out Liberation Day. Now riding out this conflict with Iran. There's been soft years and there have been some boom years. Because you just got to have the mental fortitude to stay the course. Got to have the mental fortitude to stay the course. Don't get nervous. Don't get mad. Don't think the stock market is a scam. It will turn around and start to rise back up. Even if we hit a correction. Even if it falls 3% more. Right now, the S&P 500 is down 7.5%. Even if it falls another 3% and it goes into correction. Once things get settled with Iran, it's going to turn around. It's going to start to rise up again. It's going to start to rise up again. So yeah, I just want to get on here and just talk to the investors, especially the newer investors, and just tell you guys, listen, just stay the course. Stay the course. It's going to be okay. It's going to be okay. Just stay the course. Keep dollar cost averaging. Basically, what dollar cost average means is keep buying the same amount of money you put in the market every week or every 2 weeks or every month, however you do it. Just keep that same pace. Don't change nothing. Guys, my 401k is up over 11.5% over the life of the account. Over the life of the account. That's not every year return, but over the life of the account, 11.5%. My Roth is up over 10.5% over the life of that account. Because you don't need to like hit a home run every single year. You just want great average returns, guys, because those returns are compounding every single year. Like Morgan Housel always says, times like this, riding out market drops is the price of admission for great returns later. And he is absolutely correct. He is absolutely correct. It's just the price of admission, guys. Staying the course is your price of admission for great returns later on down the road. So guys, yeah, I just wanted to have this quick conversation with you guys, me and Blazo, so you guys can see Blaze. And ride it out, guys. The stock market is not a scam. The stock market is legit. The stock market will make you a millionaire with long-term, consistent investing with patience. So guys, remember to like the video, share the video, and most important, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, Frank Talks Money. And with that, guys, always remember, financial decisions you make today will impact your financial life tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in. Frank Talks Money, Frank and Blaze, we out of here.